Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be showing you what I packed in these Operation Christmas Child boxes, and this is for the age category of a 10 to 14 girl and boy. So if you're looking for any ideas what to pack in your boxes, then hopefully you find this to be helpful. So first I'll be starting off with the girl box, and this is just a little overview. There's all sorts of goodies in here. So the first thing is a pencil case, and this has pens and pencils as well as safety scissors. And then inside here, I actually got this idea from other videos. I thought this is something very good to include, which is pads. And there's some bracelets, a lip balm, and some other hair accessories. And then a soft teddy bear, little Barbie. She's a photographer. It's really cute. And a toothbrush. Some soap, deodorant, and then inside here has a fork and a spoon, some pencil crayons. And I really like the design on these. Some cute flip-flops, Minnie Mouse socks, a notebook, a washcloth and underwear, some combs, and lastly an outfit, which is some leggings, and then a very cute top to match. And I love the little design on there with the different pets. And actually, lastly, a Christmas card. Here's a quick overview of how inside the box looks. So the first thing that I included is a pencil case, and inside is pens and pencils as well as safety scissors. And next is some pencil crayons, a soccer ball. This is really cool, this Rubik's Cube game, and some Hot Wheels race cars, and then this Mario game, and some hygiene items, so a washcloth, soap, deodorant, and a toothbrush, and underwear, some socks, a t-shirt, and it has a baseball design on there. And I really like what this t-shirt says. It says positive vibes. And a notebook. And lastly, a Christmas card.